Everyone, I'm Wolfgang Mertz. Thanks for introducing me. We are proud to sponsor this event as well. As pointed out, I'm with Dell EMC. And with discussions I had yesterday, a few of you are still confused. Who is this Dell EMC? Is the Dell logo gone or whatever? So let me just in 2 sentences explain what happened. So when Dell and EMC merged about a year ago, this company actually came under an umbrella by the name of Dell Technologies. Now, under Dell Technologies, there's a few companies. First of all, the one which you know as the traditional Dell. However, from a product perspective, this is now the laptops and desktops, or the end user computing as we call it. So Dell obviously also had a lot of servers and network infrastructure, and this got integrated into Dell, into EMC, and this is now Dell EMC. And there's actually a few other companies. There's 2 companies for security, SecureWorks and RSA. There is one for big data analysis, Pivotal, and one which you also know is VMware. And I hope I didn't forget any, but this is actually the company. So I'm basically part of Dell EMC, and I'm coming from the legacy EMC side, as we call it, especially out of a division which is called Isilon. And having said this, this is actually the part of EMC, traditional now Dell EMC, which joined the iRODS consortium. And the reason for that was because a few years back, when Isilon became a very popular platform in the life sciences space, our customers needed handling of metadata, a lot of metadata. And so we pointed them in the direction of iRODS, and this is actually why we also joined the iRODS consortium. What we figured out at that time is that those customers, mostly new to this whole thing, had more requirements in terms of administration and also in terms of performance. And this platform, Isilon, I spoke about, is a scale-out NAS, so it has actually some different or non-typical performance options, for an NFS. It's not a regular NAS device. So basically, so we concentrated in this consortium, and in developing software, or developing or contribute in terms of administration, which is now a product you know by the name of Metalinks, part of open source. And also, an HDFS-based driver or accelerator to access data out of this platform very fast. In the meantime, actually, we get another product, which is ECS, our object storage. And so we made sure, it nicely integrates via the Amazon S3 interface into this one. So there's actually, to keep it short, because even if you're ahead of time, you're all waiting for your morning coffee, I have 2 announcements to make. First of all, Metalinks 1.2.1 just got released to open source on Monday or Tuesday, so 1 or 2 days ago. And basically, there's one feature that was always asked for in this one, which is ticketing. So we start ticketing support in this one. There's actually some more coming in the next few weeks, but this is. And the other announcement is actually, Metalinks is open source, but nevertheless, we thought we make it more open source, and now we are actually negotiating, or my colleagues in corporate are negotiating to give it completely out to the consortium. So with that said, if you have more questions, just let me know. I'll be around all day, or now, or whenever, but enjoy the rest of the conference. All right, thank you.